Have you ever made a decision that just felt right, even when logic said otherwise? Have you ever ignored that little voice inside, only to realize later it was right all along? Light, my friend, is intuition. And when it comes to business, success, and life-changing decisions, your intuition can be your most powerful guide. So when data doesn't tell the whole story, what is it? We live in a world obsessed with data, numbers, spreadsheets, analytics. We are told to follow the numbers, to let statistics guide our every move. And yes, data is valuable. It helps us make informed decisions. It eliminates guesswork. But here's the problem. Data is only half the picture. Because data is about the past. It tells us what happened, not what's possible. Think about it. If Steve Jobs had relied purely on data, he never would have created the iPhone. Because at that time, the data said people didn't want touch-screen phones. If Elon Musk had listened to industry reports, he never would have built Tesla. Because the data said electric cars would never be profitable. If Oprah had listened to audience trends, she might have never built her empire. Because back then, the daytime talk shows weren't seen as a pathway to influence. See the pattern. The biggest, boldest, game-changing decisions. They weren't made by numbers alone. They were made by people who trusted in their intuition. And you have that power too. So what is intuition, and why should you trust it? Let's get one thing straight. Intuition is not just a gut feeling. It's not luck. It's not magic. But it's definitely not guessing. Intuition is a deep, subconscious processing system. It's your brain taking years of experience, knowledge, and patterns, and delivering insights faster than your conscious mind can. It's why an experienced investor instinctively knows a good deal when they see one. It's why a seasoned entrepreneur can spot an opportunity before anyone else. It's why an artist, a leader, a CEO can feel a shift coming before the world sees it. And here's the best part. Intuition can be trained. So how do you unlock your inner voice? How do you tap into this powerful inner guide? How do you develop your intuition so you can make smarter, bolder, more successful decisions? Step 1. Create space for it. Your intuition is always there, but it's drowned out by distractions, notifications, emails, opinions, endless noise. To hear your intuition, you need silence. Try meditating, try journaling, take a walk without your phone. Because when your mind is quiet, your intuition speaks louder. You want to start recognizing the signs. Intuition doesn't always come as loud aha moment. It shows up as a subtle feeling in your gut, a random thought that keeps repeating. A dream, an idea, a vision that just won't leave your mind. These are not coincidences, these are signals. Step 3. Start small. You don't need to bet your entire business on intuition overnight. Start with small decisions. Which project to prioritize? Which person to network with? Which idea excites you, even when it doesn't make sense on paper? The more you trust your intuition, the stronger it becomes. So how do you use your intuition to make bold decisions? Now let's talk about the big decisions, the one that feels scary, the ones where logic and intuition seem to be at war. Maybe your intuition tells you to launch that new product, even though the market says it's risky. Maybe it tells you to hire that unconventional candidate, even though their resume doesn't check all the boxes. Maybe it tells you to take a leap, to pivot, to move in a direction that defies expectations. And this is where leaders are made. Because real success, it doesn't come from playing it safe. It comes from trusting yourself, even when the world doesn't see what you see. Think of the greatest entrepreneurs, visionaries, and innovators. They didn't just follow data. They didn't just realize, oh, everything needs to be taken care of at once. They didn't just listen to experts. They felt the future before it arrived. And that's the power of intuition. Harnessing your intuition for long-term success. And here's the truth. Intuition isn't a one-time thing. It's not just for big decisions. It's a skill, a habit, a mindset. It helps you navigate uncertainty. It helps you adapt when plans change. It helps you stay aligned with your purpose. And the more you listen, the more you trust, the stronger it gets. So here's my challenge for you, right now. The next time you feel that pull, that inner knowing, don't ignore it. Because the greatest breakthroughs, biggest wins, they don't come from just logic. They come from trusting yourself. So trust yourself. Believe in your vision. And go make it happen. If this message spoke to you, hit that button, subscribe for more game-changing insights, and tell me in the comments, when has intuition led you to success?